Your biggest enemy in life is yourself. Your biggest enemy in life is the man in the mirror. It doesn't matter what anybody tells you what you can and can't do. All that matters is the conversation that you have with yourself, my boy. If you don't love yourself, how will anyone love you? If you don't respect yourself, how will anyone respect you? It's about being better than you were yesterday. Not last month, not last year, not last quarter, not last decade. It's about being a better person than you were yesterday. Take it one day at a time, and you're off to the races.